wherever there is an ambiguity, whichever happens. There are shortage of trained personnel, outdated technology, and insufficient infrastructure that actually obviously hamper the effectiveness. Wherever the acts are there in place, we are not actually not advocating as to the fact that already we have a number of environmental protection, legislation. On top of that, we are not wanting another 25 legislations down the line. The laws are there in place. But the challenges lie in the question of this. I can speak about this particular data where this case distribution, there is AGT data 2013 2024. It says that industrial pollution there will be 42% emission violations, hazardous waste recycling, illegal industrial clearances. Then there is waste management 21%. Then there is forests and biodiversity conflicts of 15%. Another important fact is that regional disparity in access to justice. Or whenever we are seeing that the court has actually given landmark judgments and the so-called corporations have been fined, we find that most cases originate from urban industrialized belt like Delhi, NCR, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. Severe underrepresentation from tribal, northeastern, remote rural regions. I mean, none of the states of northeastern states, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland. Barriers include lack of legal literacy, financial means, institutional access, and then there is this question of compliance gap. Only 15% of NGT orders are fully complied within 1 year. State agencies and private entities often delay or ignore orders due to weak enforcement capacity. Then I just compared with the certain global comparisons. Obviously, in Europe there is Directive 2008/19 where EC mandates criminalization of serious environmental harm. That means if green criminology is very seriously religiously followed, India won't be an isolated jurisdiction who is going to do it. Also in Latin America there is Ecuador. For 2 minutes left. I'm sorry, I'm almost existing my time limit. On top of that, I want to show some of the gimmicks that India has basically made in 2023. Board of Cricket Control for India (BCCI) they partnered with Tata Group to launch a green initiative, and it was said that in the first qualifier of IPL, 84 dot balls were bowled, and they said that for every so-called dot ball that is being bowled, there will be 500 trees that are going to be planted across. None of the trees actually were being planted. That was a gimmick, that was a good exercise. People, basically appreciated BCCI. None of them actually did happen in reality. These are the so-called actual shows which can, show the fact that what we wanted to say. So, in a nutshell, this is the final part. I don't want to go further as I have exceeded time.